Welcome to this video. We're continuing from the first and second module. Under this, we've completed Grow Your Business with Google Ads, explore the value of Google search. Okay, so we are continuing with understand the Google Ads auction. Okay. Okay, so yours will be showing launch. Mine is showing review because I've done the exam already. You can see passed on October 21, 2019. That's the third time I'm doing that exam because it's a yearly certification that you have to keep renewing. Okay, the first one is, what is the Google Ads auction? You have created your text ad, set your budget, and now you are ready to see it live on Google search. But how do you know your ad will show up and what position will it have on the results page? Enter the ad auction, Google's way of deciding which ads will show and how they are positioned. In this module, you will learn how to describe the ads auction system, learn about how ad rank determines your ad position, and identify the 3 factors that impact ad quality. So how does the Google Ads auction work? Google Ads uses an auction system to rank the ads that appear on the search results page and to determine the cost for each ad click. The order in which ads appear on the page is based on a calculation we call ad rank. First and foremost, Google users want ads they see to be relevant. Users don't want to be bothered with ads that are not closely related to what they are searching for. And advertisers want to show relevant ads so that users will actually click on them. Google wants to provide a good experience for users and value to advertisers so that they come back and use our services again in the future. Let's review an example of what a real-time auction would look like. Google uses a special version of a second price auction that takes into account more than just bids. We'll talk on that later. In a standard second price auction based only on bids, the advertiser doesn't have to pay their full bid. They only have to pay 0.01 cents more than the amount of the next highest bidder. Say we have 4 advertisers competing for space on the search results page, and they are willing to pay $4, $3, $2, and $1 respectively for a user to click on their ad and visit their website. So in this particular case, the first advertiser was bidding $4, but they only have to pay $3.01, which is $0.01 above the bid of the second highest advertiser. The same thing applies to advertiser 2 and to advertiser 3. This design allows each advertiser to bid their true maximum willingness to pay for a click, but only have to pay just enough to beat the competition. I hope you get that point. What it means is if 5 people are advertising for a slot on the Google result page and someone is willing to pay $10, the other person says, I'll pay $9, the other person says, I'll pay $8, the other person says, I'll pay $7. When all things being equal, when someone does a search related to what those people do, Google will show the person's result that says I'll pay $10, but they only charge that person $9.01 when someone clicks on the ad. But the thing about it is you will never know what your competitor has paid. So you won't really be able to know how this works and how you can take advantage of it. It's only Google that knows how it works and how they eventually charge you when they show you the result. In the Google Ads practical course, you will see how this is done when we go through that part of the course. Okay, how ad rank determines your ad position. Google Ads calculates ad rank for every ad in the auction. Ad rank determines your ad position and whether your ads are eligible to show at all. Generally speaking, the ad with the highest ad rank gets to show in the top position, and the ad with the second highest ad rank gets to show in the second position, assuming the ads clear the relevant thresholds and so on. At a high level, think of ad rank as having 5 factors, okay? Bid. When you set your bid, you are telling Google Ads the maximum amount you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. You often actually end up paying less, and you can change your bid at any time. Ad rank threshold. To help ensure high quality ads, we set minimum quality thresholds that an ad must achieve to show in a particular ad position. With the ad auction, context matters. When calculating ad rank, we look at the search terms the person has entered. the person's location at the time of the search, the type of device they are using, e.g. mobile or desktop, the time of the search, the nature of the search terms, other ads and search results that show on the page, and other user signals and attributes. Okay? Ad extensions impact. When you create your ad, you have the option to add extra information to your ad, such as a phone number or more links to specific pages on your site. These are called ad extensions. We'll be explaining this more later. Google Ads estimates how extensions and other ad formats you use will impact your ad's performance. Ad auction time ad quality. Google Ads also looks at how relevant and useful your ad and the website it links to are to the person who will see it. Quality score is an aggregated estimate of our assessment of the quality of your ad. We'll be explaining all this as we go on. The three main factors that determine the quality of an ad. Advertisers only pay when they actually receive a click on their ad. Their order isn't just based on bits. That's why it's called pay per click, like I said before. You only pay when someone clicks on your ad, not just because they see it, which is the way social media ads run. In social media ads, like Facebook, you pay per impression. When people see your ads, some amount of money is deducted from your ad account. It's different from the way Google runs their own system. Until people click on your ad, money is not deducted from your account. Okay? Why? We want to show more useful ads in a higher position on the search results page. Find out which factors help determine the quality of an ad. Expected click-through rate. This is a prediction of how often an ad will be clicked on when it is shown. Across Google, we rely on user feedback to drive decision-making and user click-through rates. Tell us what users respond to. By allowing users to vote with their clicks, we have millions of people who are helping us to decide which ads are best for each search query. This also helps in the organic results, okay? When someone does a query, okay, if 5 results show up on the first page, if people keep clicking on the second and third one, Google will move the second and third one to the first and second position. So that's how it works. The click-through rate is important. Ad landing page experience. Users want ad landing pages that help them find what they are looking for. A highly relevant landing page yields a higher score. A high-quality landing page should have appropriate and original content that helps the user complete their tasks. It should be easily navigable and transparent about the nature of the business, how the site interacts with the user's computer, and how it intends to use their personal information. Ad relevance. Ad relevance is a measure of how well an ad matches what the user is searching for, and it helps to make sure that only useful ads are shown. It also prevents businesses from simply paying their way onto a search that is unrelated to their product or service. Okay. Note, during a real-time auction, many additional factors like the user's device, the user's location, and the time of the day are considered to determine the quality of an ad. How ad rank influences actual cost per click. Oftentimes, average CPC is not the price you are paying for each of your clicks. Because the system is dynamic, the CPC can vary a lot from auction to auction and depends on a variety of factors such as the context of each query. It's important to keep in mind that average CPC is just an average, meaning that the price you pay could be above or below the average. Okay. Higher quality ads typically lead to lower cost, better ad positions, and more advertising success. When users see better ads, they are happier and more likely to actually click on those ads. Now let's check. Which of the following factors is not considered by ad rank? Okay, which of the following factors is not considered by ad rank? Increasing the conversion rate of your landing pages is the one that is not considered by ad rank. Context of query is considered. Testing new ad formats and extensions. Rewriting ads with low click-through rates. Okay, move on to the next one. Improving ad rank. In this module, you will learn how to improve your ad rank. This includes being able to define quality score and to improve your expected CTR, that is click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. So what is quality score? It is an estimate of the quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. Higher quality ads can lead to lower prices and better ad positions. Quality score is composed of expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. How you can find your quality score in Google Ads. Okay, we will look into that later on. To improve your ad quality, focus on the 3 components of quality score, which is expected click-through rate, the likelihood that the ad will be clicked. Expected CTR predicts whether your keyword is likely to lead to an ad click. However, you should be actively working on improving your click-through rate, which is often how users who see your ad actually end up clicking on it. To improve your click-through rate, you may want to be specific in your ad. Include keywords in your ad text, especially in the headline, to show people that your ad is directly relevant to their search. Experiment with different calls to action. Do you offer free shipping or free returns? Call now versus book now. Highlight a unique benefit of your product or service. What makes you stand out from the competition? Think about what matters to users, perhaps an exceptional warranty or return policy. Create time or location specific ad text. This seasonal creative around holidays or special events, or test location optimized creative. Ad relevance. How closely the ad matches the intent behind the user search. To improve your ad relevance, you may want to add negative keywords, that is, prevent your ads from showing on unwanted queries or queries not closely related to your product or service. Be specific on mobile. If a user's mobile search experience is different from desktop, test mobile specific creatives. Creative simply means the ad itself that you are writing. Be local. Target the right region for your business by using only the relevant languages and locations. Include relevant search terms in your ad copy. Adding search terms that are related to your business in your ad copy can help make your ad more resonant for users. Landing page experience. How relevant, transparent, and easy to navigate the page is for users. To improve your landing page experience, you may want to send traffic to the right landing page. Direct clicks to pages related to a user's query. If a search is for striped shirts, the landing page should feature striped shirts, not some other variety of shirts or clothing in general. Be consistent. Make sure the landing page continues the conversation set up by your ad and follows through on the ad's offer or call to action. Make your site transparent and trustworthy. Make it easy for visitors to find your contact information and clearly state what your business does. If you request personal information from customers, make it clear why you are asking for it and what you will do with it. Work on loading speed and clarity. Help users quickly find what they are looking for by prioritizing the content that is visible above the fold. Rethink mobile. Ease of navigation is valued by users even more on mobile websites, so make sure yours is optimized. Knowledge check. Match each item with the correct answer. The likelihood that the ad will be clicked as click-through rate. How relevant, transparent, and easy to navigate the page is for users. That's landing page experience. How closely the ad matches the intent behind the user's search. That's ad relevance. Okay? So let's go to knowledge check for this. What are the three main factors that determine ad quality? That's expected click-through rate, landing page experience, and ad relevance, okay? What attributes describe a good landing page experience? It is easy to navigate, relevant and original content, transparency about your business. Okay, so that's it for that. We go back again, close it from here. You just completed understand the Google Ads option. The next one will be deliver the right message with text ads. We continue, we review. It's loading. Okay, deliver the right message with text ads. The first one there is, what is a text ad? In this module, you will learn how to recognize text ads and identify their components. What is a text ad? Text ads are just that, ads made up of text. They are a simple yet powerful way to get your business in front of people when they are searching for products or services like yours on the Google search network. To effectively reach potential customers, text ads should be informative, relevant, and engaging. Your text ads are the front door to your business, so it's important to show the right message to the right customer. So what makes up a text ad? Text ads on the search network show above and below Google search results. To create a text ad, you need a headline, URL, that's the destination you want people to go to when they click on your ad, and description. So let's take a closer look. Okay, number one. Headline. People are most likely to notice your headline text. Details. Up to 3 headline fields are available with up to 30 characters. You must note this. You'll meet it in the exam. Okay. The first 2 headline fields are required and the third is optional. Look out for how your longer headlines, separated by a vertical pipe, might wrap on mobile devices. Include at least one of your keywords in your headline. Keywords in your ad text show your ads relevant to what people want. For example, if you have included mountain bikes and new bikes as keywords, one of your headlines could be buy new mountain bikes. Okay. Description. 2 description fields with up to 90 characters each let you highlight unique details about your product or service. On mobile, where space is tight, Google Ads optimizes your ad to show the highest performing text. Tip: highlight what makes your business unique. Include prices, promotions, and exclusive offers. Empower customers to take action. Okay? URL. The URL shows your website address. It gives people an idea of where they will go when they click your ad. Tip: match your ad to your landing page. Have a look at the page that you are linking to from your ad. That's the landing page. And make sure that the promotions or products in your ad are included there. People might leave your website if they don't find what they expect. Optional. 2 optional path fields can be added to your display URL. Each field can hold up to 15 characters. This feature gives users an idea of the content they will see upon clicking your ad. If your final URL is www.example.com/store/us/new mountain bikes, you might want your path text to be mountain bikes. So your ad's display URL will be example.com/mountain bikes. You will get us this as we go on. Knowledge check. Up to how many characters can each description field have? That's 90. Okay. Next one, how to create effective text ads. In this module, you will learn how to create an effective text ad and familiarize yourself with creative best practices. Steps to create a text ad in Google Ads. Follow this checklist to get started creating your first ad. Before your text ad starts showing to users, Google Ads reviews its content and formatting to make sure it is meeting advertising policies. Check off each item as you complete the task. So you sign into your Google account. In the page menu on the left, select ads and extensions, select the plus button and choose the text ad option, enter a URL, headline, and description. Remember that you can also enter the optional path fields. As you type, a preview of the mobile and desktop version of your ad will appear. When you are satisfied with your new text ad, select Save Ad. Best practices for excellent Google Ads creative. Implement 3 to 5 ads per ad group. The more ads present in an ad group, the more options you will have for success in an auction. Optimize your ad rotation for clicks or conversions. Optimizing your ad rotation will allow the system to serve the ideal ad for the specific circumstances of each auction. Use at least 3 extensions for each campaign or ad group. At the time of each auction, your ad will be assembled with the most appealing extensions. More eligible extensions give your ads more opportunity to meet users' specific needs. Okay. When you rotate your ads to optimize for clicks on conversions, ad groups with 3 or more high-quality ads may receive up to 15% more clicks on conversions compared to ad groups with 1 or 2 ads. Okay, that's because Google selects the best ad for every auction, ensuring the right message gets in front of the right customer. When combined with 3 or more ad extensions, this best practice can result in even better performance. Knowledge check. How many ads should you be implementing per ad group? That's 3 to 5. Okay, responsive search ads. In this module, you will learn what a responsive search ad is, plus the benefits of using these ads in your campaigns. What are responsive search ads? Responsive search ads let you create ads that adapt to show more relevant messages to your customers. All you need to do is supply the headlines, descriptions, and URLs for your ads. The more headlines and descriptions you enter, the more Google Ads can test and serve ad variations that match user search terms, which can improve your ad performance. After you enter headlines and descriptions, Google Ads assembles the text into multiple ad combinations in a way that avoids redundancy. Over time, we will test the most promising ad combinations and learn which ones are the most relevant for your customers. Tip: make sure to choose ad groups that have a good amount of traffic and then regularly monitor their performance and ad status. What are the benefits of responsive search ads? Flexibility. Create flexible ads that adapt to device widths, giving you more room to share your message with potential customers. Relevance. Save time by providing multiple headline and description options. Then let Google Ads show the most relevant combinations to your customers. Reach. Reach more potential customers with multiple headline and description options that give your ads the opportunity to compete in more auctions and match more search terms. Performance. Increase ad group performance by attracting additional clicks and conversions that your existing text ads are not capturing. You can provide up to 15 headlines and 4 descriptions, note that, for a single responsive search ad, and Google Ads will automatically show different combinations depending on the search query. Okay, so let's do a knowledge check. Which are the 3 required parts of a text ad? Okay, headline, description, and URL. How many ads should be implemented per ad group? 3 to 5. How does Google Ads generate responsive search ads? Okay, Google Ads mixes and matches headlines and descriptions that have been provided. Okay, so that's it. So we'll continue again in the next video.